For a siren song can summon a tempest, a storm of mythical scale that even the bravest of pirates cannot escape. Listen, as our voices dance on the wind, this way.
I'm calling you Paris. I'm calling you Paris. I'm calling you Paris. I'm calling you Paris.
Yo! Who goes there? Who calls my name?
Going somewhere, boy? I'm afraid what's beyond this point is for men only.
I'm nobody's boy. I'm a pirate.
A pirate on board. And does our pirate have a name?
I am called Arrow.
And I'm called Cinnamon. But every seaman who's ever sailed into my cove just calls me Sin.
Where am I? How did I get here?
Welcome to the song, young arrows. A ship with a tune like no other. And let's just say you're here because you kindly accepted our invitation. Sister,
My name is Cole. Dance with me, Arrows, and I'll reveal my dark side. Je m'appelle Eve. I've been waiting for a boy like you. You want to play with me? Oui?
We? No. I mean, my captain will have me flogged if he waits to find the dawn. Perhaps another time. Perhaps we'll bump into each other again sometime. Like, never.
comfy?
Release me now, sin woman, or prepare to tangle with my captain.
I've been waiting years to tangle with your captain.
Sisters! Red sails on the wind, off the starboard bow. A ship full of pirates headed straight our way.
Sisters, to the gunwale! We're about to meet the fearless pirates of the Bull and the infamous Captain...
YouTube
invitation to come aboard.
This night, Simon. No matter how about you and your sewage and sing, man. We have saved for this boat for one reason. To save our brother. Head back to the horse now, winch. Or prepare to be the fool. Rag on the bull.
We're not winches, Mac. Just a bunch of neighborhood girls out to have some fun. And besides, as you can see, your cabin boy is all tied up at the moment. Eve, untie your little friend and bring him to the deck. Pirates, your sirens away. Come aboard for a nightcap. Then leave with your mates. Come aboard, boys. For a drink. And the whole kitchen sink. Let's shake it up, girls.
You take a little bit of honey and a whole lot of sugar and you shake it up. You wanna have some fun, then we'll pour a little rum, just take it. Go, have a drink with me, I'm into 2 drinks. Surrender, if you want some fun, come on over everyone. Find me, I am all you need, let me share what you see. Please me, I'm yours tonight.
Turn back! I'm okay!
You take a little bit of honey and a whole lot of sugar and you shake it up. You wanna have some fun? Come on over, everyone, just take it now.
Fools, coming here to cast your eyes to the deck before it's too late. Come on. Load the deck cannon and prepare to give Murphy a slash on the broadside. Our Captain, consider this fair warning, sirens. Fire away! Fire away! Fire away!
Do it again! Do it again!
Reload the deck cannon. Aim high and it's going away from the boy, and fire around that'll steal this siren's tongue and end this concert for good.
What? Have you thought this through, Captain? If we hit their vessel, we're gonna lose the lad anyway, right? He seems happy.